What is up, guys? I'm back. I mean, I took a little 3-week break because I ordered the wrong parts for some stuff, and then other stuff got delayed. But I got some more modifications coming to the F30 for you guys. Anyways, today I have a local meet to me. I don't have to really drive that far. It's the Bok Kai Festival, Marysville. And yeah, we're gonna check it out. See all the cars. It's also co-hosted by CNC SAC, and this should be a good meet. I'd say at least 100 cars, but we'll see how it goes. It's a little rainy, so I don't know if people are still gonna go. But if you're new, go follow my Instagram. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more F30 content. Jeez, clearing it. It's hella cold, bro. Bro, why isn't it zooming out? Oh well. We're just gonna roll with it. Ooh, I need a lip. It's nice. Tell me that green one's not nice, bro. Ooh, I like this wrap. What you think about this wrap? No? It's not it? And it's ceramic coated. Look at that shit's coming right off, bro. Hey, the Tesla's shitting on my fitment or what? Damn, bro. We need one of these. Hell yeah. That shit's sick. Hell yeah. Oh shit. Oh, this is the homie's car right here. Ah! Yeah, look, you get the little one. What's he got under here, Juju? Let me know. Let me know.
350.
Is it fast? Oh, yeah. 315. Dang. Ooh. What kind of car is it? Buster? Thunderbird? Hey, I don't know my old cars. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, you hella cold? Yeah. No, for real? Damn. This shit's clean, bro. I can see Juju freezing in there. Are you freezing your balls up or what? Damn, it was close. I got it. Hey, I got it on camera. It was hella funny. Let him go. Yeah, I think how many 330i's you know that are 400? Yeah, 400 horsepower. Is it worth it though?
Not really.
No, hey, but fuck it. That'll be the little sleeper car. Hey, this is nice, bro. This is a carbon fiber right there. Oh, my bad. Huh? Mangoes? Not the RT. I'm just kidding. It's nice. It's nice. Insane.
It's not worth it.
No, but it's cool. It's cool. I can't really say anything, you know.
This guy.
Is it really?
Yeah. It's a 320.
Those were 40s. Sheesh. I know. That's next level right there. Does this count as a Euro, dude?
It's good.
Oh, hey, Parliament's on the park in there. You can't park in here.
It's a Brembo.
What about this? The STs? Hey, I respect it. That shit's nice. Hey, when I roll my tag, I should roll full bolts on. Ooh. Dude, I want a Camaro like that's the old one. hella bad. I don't know why. They're nice, bro. I was looking at one the same color, like it was like that bluish green. Nice. Huh? Should shave the beard?
I shouldn't have.
Nah, cause now you're freezing, huh? Okay.
Supercharger.
Ooh.
It's not a turbo, it's supercharger.
It's nice. Why is it like a turbo? I don't know the difference. Oh, you know how you know the difference? Has a belt. Has a belt on it. Look at your dad. Looking at the Camaro right away. Look at this guy. He's like, I like this one. This shit's hella cold. Should've brought a windbreaker, bro.
It's going right up my ass.
Huh? Up your ass? That's gross. Is it stinking there? Bro, did you re-wipe today, bro? That's gross, bro. You should. Alright guys, so this company's cool. I'm out here in the rain getting you guys content. As you can see, I'm trying to win best Euro. I'm the only BMW at this meet, so I think we got it, but we're gonna see. Alright, I'll get back to you guys at the end. So close, only 2 Euro cars. So close. 530. Alright guys, so I'm headed out of the meet. Overall, it was a cool little meet. It was small because of the rain. I lost the best Euro out of 2 cars, and I lost to a Benz. So, kind of upset, I'm not gonna lie. But I know the 330i needs some more work looks-wise. I feel like they just have a nice wrap, in my opinion. I think I recorded it earlier. It's like a metallic, like gold type of wrap. But yeah, we lost that trophy. You know, it is what it is. We got some work to do. This meet was really cool. The rain kind of ruined it, but hey. It is what it is. It was a cool little turnout. About 50 cars. I'm soaked. But it was fun overall. It's a cool little event. There's not a lot of car events over here in this area. So this is the first and hopefully not the last event they host. Shout out to I believe it was TPMS Motorsports up in the Bay Area somewhere.